displaying our mobile lineup. Our mobile lineup is very popular, especially in US market, with about 40% of market share in the mobile industry. And now we are officially launched our mobile lineup for global market as well. And here you can see our 8 megapixel front-facing camera. This camera has long bracket and short bracket, so we guarantee flexible installation. And here you can see our 2 megapixel camera. This camera is outdoor camera, which is certified by IP69K, so it is resistant to high pressure washing. And this is our 2 megapixel mobile dome camera, and we also have a 12 megapixel fisheye camera as well. And all our camera designed for is installation for bus and rail. And here you can see our NVR lineup. We have an 8-channel and 16-channel NVR, and this NVR is for bus and this NVR for rail. And both NVR has built-in GPS, so we can provide real-time vehicle monitoring with Google Maps.